Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 12.2 from the chapter Heron's formula. In this video we will discuss about first two problem. Okay, we will discuss about the solution of first two problem, question number 1 and 2. So let us start with question number 1. The question is, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So if you draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral, angle C have to be 90 degree. So I am considering this angle is 90 degree, so this will be C. Okay, now I'm considering this one is B and this one is D. Okay, so BC is given as 12 meter and CD is given as 5 meter. Okay, so let me consider this one as B and this one as C. Why? Because BC is more than, this one is D. Okay, because BC is more than CD. So BC is equal to 12 meter and CD is equal to 5 meter. Again AB is equal to given as 9 meter. So suppose I am taking this one as AB, it is 9 meter and remaining AD is equal to 8 meter. Okay, now how much area does it occupy? You have to find the whole area of this field. Okay, so as you can see, this one is not any special kind of quadrilateral such as square, rectangle, rhombus or trapezium, so that you can put the formula for area and find how much area does it occupy, right? It is not that special kind of quadrilateral. Now how you will find the area of this quadrilateral? You will join any one of the diagonal. I am joining this BD diagonal. Actually, you will join only BD diagonal. Okay. So when you are joining this BD diagonal, this BCD triangle will become a right angle triangle because angle C is 90 degree. Right. So it is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of BD, which will be equal to 13. Okay, so for this triangle you will use the formula half into base into height. Okay, because it is a right angle triangle, so you can use half into base into height. So base will be here 12, height will be 5. Let us do the calculation. We will get the area of BCD triangle. Okay, for ACD triangle, you got three sides as 8, 9 and 13. Just use the Heron's formula. You will get the area of this triangle. Okay, just add the area of triangle ABD and BCD. You will get the area of whole quadrilateral. So let's check the solution. As I told you, you have to join BD. So when you are joining this BD diagonal, this triangle will become a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of BD, which is equal to 13 meter. Okay, now for for DBC or BCD triangle, for this triangle you will use half into base into height, which is equal to, this one will be the base, BC is the base and CD is the height. So half into 12 into 5, which is equal to 30 meter square. Okay, so the area of this triangle is equal to 30 meter square. Now you have to find the area for ABD triangle, that means for this triangle. Okay, As you can see here, AD is equal to 8 meter, AB is equal to 9 meter, and BD is equal to 13 meter. Just use Heron's formula. Okay, to use Heron's formula, you need to find half of the perimeter. Since this side is equal to 13, I am considering this as A, this one as B, and this one as C. So half of the perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2, that is 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2, which is equal to 15. Now just put the value of S, A, B, C in this formula of Heron's. Do the calculation. Okay, now just simplify this one. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. Okay, from this to 3, 1 3 will outside. From this to 2, 1 2 will be outside. As you can see, this 5 and this 7 does not have any pair, so it will remain under the root 5 into 7. So the answer will be 6 root 35. Okay, as you can see here, the value is 12 root under 1260 meter square. Now you can simplify this root under 1260 in this way, and your answer will be 6 root 35 meter square. Just leave the answer in this way, or you can put the decimal value of root 35 here. Okay, both the answer will be correct. Okay, if you simplify it and leave the answer as 6 root 35 meter square, if you leave the answer as 6 root 35 square 35 meter square, it will be also the right answer. So area of the park will be this one plus the area of BCT, which is 30 plus 35.5 meter square. Okay, now question number 2, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, DA is equal to 5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the figure. As you can see in this quadrilateral, 4 sides are given, and also the AC diagonal, the length of the AC diagonal is also given. If you take this ABC triangle, okay, AB square, if you do the square of this side, you will get 9. If you do the square of this side, it will be 16. If you do the square of this side, it will be 25. So as you can see, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So you can write in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That means this triangle will be a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now since it is a right angle triangle, just use the formula half into base into height, that is half into 3 into 4, it will be 6 centimeter square. Okay, so the area of this triangle is equal to 6 centimeter square. Now for ACT triangle, it is a scalene triangle and it is not a right angle triangle, so just use Heron's formula. To use Heron's formula, first I need half of the perimeter, which will be 4 plus 5 plus 5 by 2. Okay, just do the calculation, it will be 7. Now put it in the Heron's formula. Okay, as you can see from this expression, 1 2 will be outside, 21 centimeter square. Okay, 2 root 21 centimeter square. Just leave it in this way, or you can convert root under 21 in the decimal form. Okay, so it will be 9.2 centimeter square. So the area of the quadrilateral is 6 plus 9.2 centimeter square, that is 15.2 centimeter square. if you leave the answer in this way, then your last answer will be 6 plus 2 root 21 centimeter square. Okay, if you write the answer as 6 root 2 root 21. Okay, if you write your answer as 2 root 21 for the area of ACD, then the area of the quadrilateral will be 6 plus 2 root 21. Okay, this will be also the correct answer. So now a question can arise that how can you convert this this number to the decimal form? Okay, right, I told you if you do the simplification of this expression, it will be equal to 2 root 21 centimeter square, right? But in the question in this answer it is written as 9.2 centimeter square. That means you have to convert this root under 21 in the approximate decimal form. But how can you transform this root 21 into decimal in decimal expansion with two decimal places? Okay, so let's check. Suppose I am converting root under 21 in decimal representation. So first of all, write 21 here, okay, and do the and try to evaluate the square root of root 21 by long division. First of all, you will put here 4, okay, 4 4s are 16, so 5 will be here, okay. Now you will put a decimal sign here. Here will be 2 zeros, okay. Since you are finding the square root, when you are putting decimal here, you will get 20 here, okay. Now here you have to double the 4. The value I'll put here will be 8. Why? Because the method is here you have to put the double of this element, which is 4, okay. So it will be 8. Now as you can see, 85 into 5 is equal to 425, but 86. Now how much you have to put here? If you put 6 here, 86 into 6. If you put 6 here, you have to multiply it by 6. If you put 5 here, you have to multiply it by 5. Okay, so if you put 86, if you put 6, you have to multiply it by 6. So it will be 516, which is more than 500. So that means you have to put 5. Put here 5, here also 5. Okay, then it will be 425. Now it will be 75. Okay, now in this step, how much you will put here? Okay, the method is here without the decimal. In this quotient, without the decimal, you are getting 45. Just to multiply it by 2, it will become 90. So you will put here 90. Okay, now how much you have to put here in the third place? Okay, 1 minute, just wait. So how much you have to put after the 90? Okay, and for decimal you will get 20 after the 75. Okay, so I will put 8. 8 it's a 64, 72. Okay, now if you put 9, you have to multiply it by 9. So it will be 81, 81, which is more than 7500. So you will put 8 here. Here also will be 8, 7, 2, 6, 4, which is will be 6, 3, 2. So in this way, this process will continue. Okay. So we will take the decimal value after 2 decimal places. That means what will be the value? It will be 4.58 approx. That's why I am writing approx in the solution. Okay, So the value of root under 21 is equal to 4.58 approx. Okay, in this way you have to convert root under 21 in the decimal form. Now put this value, look at here. Okay, look at here. I told you if you simplify it you will get root 21. Now you got the value of root 21 as 4.58 approx. Okay, now just do the multiplication. 16 then 5 to 10 1, okay, 9 approx. Okay, so 9.16 or 9.2 both are same, so this will be the approximate value. Okay, in this way you have to change our irrational number in decimal value up to 2 decimal places. Similarly, for the first question, as you can see, I told you when you are simplifying this expression, it will be 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. If you simplify it, you will get 3 into 2 into 21. Okay, sorry, not 21, it will be 35, that is 6 root 35. But here the value is given as 35.5 meter square. How? Okay, now so that means you have to find the value of root under 35 in decimal form. So now we'll check what will be the value of root under 35 in decimal form. So again write here 35, do use the long division process. 6 6 are 36, so I will put 5. 5 5s are 25, here will be a 10. If you put decimal here, here will be 2 zeros. Now the double of 5 is equal to 10. Now how much you have to put here? Okay, so as you can see, if you put 9 here, 9 nines are 81, 9. Okay, so I am putting 9 here also. Okay, 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, so it will be 9, then 1. Okay, only 19. Now again for the decimal, here will be 2 zeros. Okay, now what you have to do, here you have to put the double of 59. The double of 59 is 118. Okay, put 118. Now how much you have to put here? Okay, if you put 1182 and multiply it by 2, it will be 41632, which is more than 1900. So you have to put only 1. So here will be also 1. So again put 1181 and do the calculation. In this way you have to continue it. So as you can see, up to 2 decimal places, the value of root 35 will be 5.91. Okay, got it? Now just go to that slide. Okay, you got the value of root 35 as, you got the root 35 as 5.91. Okay, just do the calculation. 6 sorry, 1 minute. It is 5 into, no, not 5, it is 6 into, right? 6 into root under 35, that is 6 into 5.91. So 6 nines are 54. Okay, 5 is in your hand, 35. Okay, as you can see, 35.46 approx and 35.5 both are nearest, so 35.46 can be written as 35.5 meter square. In this way you have to put the value of root 35 in decimal form. So this is all for today. This is all for today. Thank you.